Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Just a quick reminder for all my viewers, if you guys have not joined my Telegram group chat, guys, what are you waiting for? It's free to join. Link in the description box below. We talk about crypto, latest news revolving around the crypto space, and just have a great time at the end of the day. So come join the group and, let's build this community together. But now let's jump into the content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today, we're currently sitting at $1.67 trillion. We're down 2.4% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.3%. But now if we're looking at the overall markets, guys, we're seeing a lot of red across the board, and this does not come as a surprise to me at all. And now you may be asking yourself why. And the answer to that is, if you guys have been watching my videos over the last few days, I have been saying, even though we are seeing green across the board, guys, I am not convinced that the bottom is in unless Bitcoin does reach specific price levels, which was above that $43,000 and most importantly above that $46,000 level. And Bitcoin was unable to hold that. And I did say, if we are unable to touch those price levels, guys, there's still a chance for us to go towards the downside. And, like I said, this does not come as a surprise to me at all. We will look at Bitcoin charts later on in this video and see where we could be going in the immediate short term. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than XRP. Alright, XRP family, if we're looking at XRP's price right now, XRP is currently trading at 89.4 cents. It's down 8.4% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 5.3% in BTC comparative in just the last 24 hours. XRP's current rank on CoinMarketCap and on CoinGecko is at the top 6 spot. Market cap right now is $41.2 billion. Meanwhile, 24-hour trading volume is at $5.2 billion. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture for XRP, in just the last year alone, XRP is still up 353%, but if we are looking in the last 30 and 7 days, we are down 30%. But this should not come as a surprise to anyone. You guys know what is going on around the markets, and it's not only XRP that's down; it's the entire market that is seeing major downwards momentum right now. But now I'm going to share a bullish news with you guys, and then we will go look at the charts and see where we could see XRP going in the immediate short term. So the bullish news is, billionaire investor Carl Icahn, the founder of Icahn Enterprises, says that his company is exploring how to get involved in cryptocurrencies in a relatively big way, which he said could be an investment of about $1.5 billion. So this is what he had to say. I'm looking at the whole business and how I can get involved in it with Icahn Enterprises in a relatively big way because I think it's here to stay in one form or another. So if you don't know who Icahn is one of the Wall Street's most successful investors. And he also had to say this: a big way for us, would be $1 billion, $1.5 billion, something like that. That would be a sort of big way, I guess, for us. But sometimes we go bigger than that, sometimes a lot smaller. I'm not going to say exactly. He further explained, to be clear, we have never bought any cryptocurrencies, but we have been studying it. Much of the cryptocurrency issue today will not survive, but we believe cryptocurrency in one form or another might be here to stay. Very, very bullish news, guys. Now, this is just one of these billionaires that are exploring cryptocurrency, guys, and I believe I can actually bring a lot of institutional interest, more than ever before, if he really were to jump in. And we are starting to see a lot of institutional interest coming in because this is another asset class that a lot of people are getting excited about, especially the hedge fund managers from the equity markets. They are coming into crypto and actually treating it as another asset class and hedging against inflation and risk itself. So that is very interesting, and I believe we're just at the beginning of where crypto will go mainstream. But now, if we're looking at the charts for XRP, guys, let's look at what's going on. So XRP, was trading at, if we go towards the, yesterday's price, we were trading at $1.07. Everything was looking perfectly fine. But since then, guys, we are down we can bring out the measuring tool and measure exactly how down we are right now. We are down 16.2% in just one day, guys. And now you may be asking, why is this happening? And there's one answer to that, and that is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the leading indicator of the markets. I have said this over and over again, but if you are new to my channel, I'll say that again. So markets do tend to follow Bitcoin. So if Bitcoin does go towards the upside, altcoins will outperform Bitcoin. So for instance, let's say Bitcoin were to go up 7%, we will see altcoins go 20-30% towards the upside. But the other way plays out as well. So now let's say Bitcoin were to go down 7%, XRP or any altcoin will go down double digits, so 20 to even 30%. So this does not come as a surprise to me at all. This level of support though is playing very, very crucial, guys. You guys can see the level of support around that 89.25 cents is playing as a very, very crucial level of support. It's been a support for us around here, here, and it's supporting us right now as well. But if a Bitcoin does go towards the downside, guys, this support level will not hold. We just have to be realistic, and we could even see these kind of, prices come again if Bitcoin were to go towards the 30K level once again. I personally do not want to see that. As much as I hate saying that, but guys, we have to face reality. These markets are run, by Bitcoin. They follow Bitcoin. So we have to be prepared for this. We cannot do anything. We just have to hodl through these kind of, pullbacks. I always say, if you have done your due diligence and research and have invested where you can afford to lose, patience will be your number one key, and you do not want to be shaken out during these times, because markets do tend to recover very fast. If you bought back around here, just 2 days ago, if you bought back around here, guys, around that 66 cents level, you would be sitting at, even though we're seeing a 16% pullback, you'd be sitting at 34.7% profit in just a couple of days. So it's still up quite significantly, even though we are seeing a correction. But as much as I hate saying it, right now there is a potential for us to fall back down to this level, and because all eyes are on Bitcoin right now. So what, let's look into Bitcoin's price and see what's exactly going on, and then we will come and make a conclusion as to what can go on for XRP and the entire cryptocurrency market. So now let's go on to Bitcoin charts. So now I have loaded up the king itself. Bitcoin is doing some crazy, oops, we do not want to see that. Bitcoin is doing some crazy things right now. So I have zoomed it out for you guys so you guys can get a better picture as to what is going on. I will make it very, very simple for you guys. So basically, as you guys can see, the initial, dip that we saw, the initial crash after the Elon flood and the China flood came out, you guys can see, boom, Bitcoin dropped all the way down to, I'm sorry, we need to get rid of this right now. We'll do this once again. We saw Bitcoin fall to 30K, guys, and then we had a fast, sharp recovery towards the upside. We saw, Bitcoin go to $42,000 and $454. A lot of people were saying, the bottom is in. I had a poll on my, community page. 60% of the people were saying, the bottom has been reached. But I was saying, guys, I am not convinced. You guys can go watch my videos. I said I was not convinced unless we get above one of these two levels, $43,000 level or that $46,000 level. But guess what, guys? Bitcoin was unable to do that, and we had this was a clear fake out, and then you guys saw a double bottom occur for Bitcoin, and now we did go towards the upside, and right now we are literally above this level of support at the $36,400 level, just sitting right above that right now. But guys, what we do not want to see is it break below this. I do not want to see that happen. But the chances of that happening right now is very high. In the next couple hours, after maybe even after I upload this video, it could have possibly gone below that. I personally want us to touch this level and bounce back above it. That's what I would like to see. But if we break that, guys, there is a more downwards trend. And last thing I want to see is a triple bottom. But that's a very high likelihood that we could see a triple bottom occur, and that is not going to be nice for the cryptocurrency markets, guys. That would create massive panic, and the whales are just trying to manipulate the markets at the end of the day, and I believe that's what they are trying to do. So let's hope, let's pray that we can bounce back above this level. Once we go to that $36,400 level, hopefully we can bounce back and do something like this. But if we break below it, guys, then be prepared for some more downwards momentum for the entire market. So now you may be asking, Crypto ZX, what does that mean for XRP? So for XRP, that would mean that we will go below this level of support. We're literally sitting right on that level of support, guys. That would mean we could get back down. I'm sorry, I need to bring out this. So we could get back down to this level. And, as much as I hate saying it, guys, but we have to keep it realistic. You guys know me, all my viewers know me. I keep it 100% realistic with you guys. I'm not going to come out in here and give you guys false hopes saying, you know what, guys, we are, headed towards the upside and we're about to see some new all-time highs tomorrow. No, guys. You guys know me. I keep it 100% realistic with you guys. And this is why, guys, it's very, very important to lock in profits when we are seeing highs like this, when we are seeing all-time high after all-time high, even though this was not an all-time high, but this was an all-time high of this year. But when we are in these kind of oversold territories, guys, and you're sitting at massive profits, you want to take out some profits so you can buy back these kind of dips, because these kind of dips will always occur. This is cryptocurrency at the end of the day, and markets can be very manipulated, so you have to be prepared for that. I care about each and every one of my viewers, so I try to give you guys tips so you guys can win and kill this market. So that's why I always tell you guys these kind of things. So this would be a bearish scenario if that were to play out. Bitcoin goes towards the downside. Let's hope it does not, but right now the chances of that happening is very high. If that happened, yes, we can go back down to these levels, guys. But let's say Bitcoin does bounce back up and we do head towards the upside for Bitcoin, which everyone would love to see, guys. And let's say we get above 43k or even possibly 46k and stay above there for at least a day. Then, guys, XRP is off through the races, and I would not be surprised if we get back into that, 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, which is within, $1.19 and, and $1.37. I would not be surprised if we get above that in no time. Because when the markets do recover, especially when Bitcoin is headed towards the upside, markets tend to recover very, very fast. Altcoins will go, outpace Bitcoin, as I have mentioned in the earlier, in this video. But this is it for today's XRP video, guys. Let me know in the comment section below where you could be seeing XRP go at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts down below. You guys know the SEC case is going on still, and we still have further information to be announced to us. So we're all waiting for that. And as soon as I hear some sort of announcement come out, I will share that with you guys right away. But a lot of people are optimistic that XRP's lawsuit will get dropped, and after that, guys, XRP Ripple will go public as a company, and that will be a historic moment for the entire crypto space. So everything is lining up for cryptocurrency, for Ripple as a company and XRP, and there's a lot of money on the sidelines. I always say, do not underestimate the power of XRP. Massive community, and I would not be surprised. I keep on saying this, guys. I would not be surprised when we do hear some sort of good announcement come out for XRP, that the lawsuit has been dropped. I would not be surprised if XRP goes through the roof, guys. Literally, I would not be surprised at all about that. But like I said, only time will tell, and we will see what happens. But this is what is looking for XRP right now. But like I said, let me know in the comment section below where you could see XRP going in the immediate short term, especially at the end of June. I would love to know your thoughts down below. But with that being said, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up today's video around here. Please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And come join the Telegram group, guys. Around these kind of times, talking to someone, in the crypto space might make you feel better. And, you may learn something new at the end of the day. But, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first. Health comes first. Family comes first. And everything else absolutely comes later. Smash the like button because it helps my video get to a wider audience, and subscribe, guys. We are headed towards 20,000 subscribers, and this is just the absolute start. And with that being said, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.